I'm going on a date. And I'm really like amped about it. I'm thinking I want to go kind of edgy with these. Maybe that looked like I was bored to him or something and he wanted to help me out. Hey guys, so before I jump into the vlog, I just have to take a minute and tell you guys about Preply. By the way, thanks to Preply for sponsoring this portion of this video. So I've been mentioning recently that I'm taking French lessons online and I use Preply. I've been using them for a few months now and I'm really loving it. So just to recap, I'm taking French lessons just as like a personal development type of thing. I love to travel. I love taking in different cultures and I felt like learning a second language would just be a great complement to that and just expand my knowledge base, make me a more well-rounded person. It allows you to relate, communicate with a bigger pool of people. And by using Preply, it's made it so much easier to get my learning in. Preply has so many tutors. You can find someone that will work within your time frame. When you have a busy life, it's very important to try to fit in things where you can. It's been great to have a one-on-one tutor.
Le verbe aller, c'est ils allèrent. Voilà, ça va être plutôt compliqué, mais ça se termine par
Okay. My tutor, I really like him because he just makes learning fun. He makes it so easy and natural. He does a little bit of everything. He does some instruction. He does some quizzes. He does role playing, which is one of my favorite parts of the class.
La comparaison, ça va être extrêmement important en français, la comparaison et le superlatif.
Autant et aussi.
Je vais poser vraiment la question sur la différence. On va voir comment tu utilises les comparatifs et les superlatifs.
Okay. Tom Hanks a fait autant de films que Leonardo DiCaprio.
Voilà. Exactement.
That just really helps me to stretch my French skills, think of different ways that I want to express myself. Also, I love the user interface. They have it set up where we can see each other one-on-one, but we also can chat with each other while we're talking. Just in case something gets lost in translation, I can type it out. He can also share a screen with me. He can send me links and all that while we're in our lesson.
Comparatif, on compare A to B. On va utiliser meilleur, the best one.
He's the best actor?
Yeah.
Okay. Tom Hanks est le meilleur.
Et le meilleur, voilà, ça c'est bien.
And so far, just in these few short months of having these private one-on-one lessons, I've been learning a ton. So I would definitely recommend it for those of you that are interested in learning a second language, or if you just are looking for something to do that will expand your mind and challenge you. Learning a second language is so useful for that. And if you guys want to check it out, you can click this link right here and you can get 50% off your first lesson. I will also have that link in the description box of this video. So yeah, thanks to Preply for sponsoring that part of my video. And now back to my regular content. Very tasty. So y'all, I am really excited today. Just did my makeup, about to do my edges, get dressed and head out because I'm going on a date. And I'm really like amped about it. I'm actually taking myself out because remember I was telling you guys about how I've been wanting to conquer this fear I guess I have of eating alone in America. I have to make that a distinction because I've done this a lot in other countries, but I feel a little uneasy doing it in America. I think I'm just more nervous about being seen and being seen by myself for some reason. Ideally, I should have eaten this in the restaurant because it really wasn't crowded, but I don't know, is it just me? Like, I feel kind of weird going to restaurants by myself. Like, it's one thing to sit at the bar, have a drink, and maybe have some peanuts or something. I can do that fine, but just sitting at a regular table and eating food by myself, it kind of like, I don't know, it just makes me feel weird for some reason. So I'm eating my lunch in the car. But today I'm gonna just go and do it and conquer that fear and have a nice go of it. This year I have really been putting in motion. I've really been making a concerted effort to get out there, check things off my list, and do things that might make me a little uncomfortable, might scare me a little bit, but I know that I want to do. And also just making it a point to keep up with my self-care, to break up my routine, shake things up a little bit by doing different stuff. So today I'm having a solo lunch, and I was like, if I'm gonna do this, I might as well do it up, do it big, do it right, and make it a moment. So I made a reservation at this really nice restaurant. Gonna get dressed up, get all cute and all that, and just have a day. Well, you know, a couple hours. My nails aren't done. Usually I do them myself, you guys know, but I thought I would go and get them done today before my lunch reservation. So that's what I'm about to do. Get dressed, get my nails done, head over to lunch, and then after that, we shall see. So this is pretty much the look and the theme that I'm going for. I have a few options. I don't know yet if I want to stick with jeans or if I want to go with a skirt to keep things short, because I'm going to be wearing some over the knee boots, either these or those. I'm going to try these both on and see what I'm feeling, and then decide on if I want to go short or long with the jeans. But I'm wearing this jacket, this cropped turtleneck sweater, and I'm wearing that bag. That's what I pulled for today. I think I'm feeling a darker lip today to go with this, and just to add some drama to my face. So I'm gonna use this liquid lipstick. Let that dry. Then I'm gonna take this lip cream, put it like in the middle, and blend it in. Gotta do a little blotting here. I didn't put any face primer on today. Maybe I should have, but it's all good. Then I have some shades. I'm trying to figure out which ones I want to go with. These are nice, but I'm thinking I want to go kind of edgy with these. I think these are better. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and do the skirt with the snake print over the knee boots. I really like how I'm getting that separation and that layering. So I think I'm going to stick with this. Happy with it? All right, let's go. So my nails are done. This is what they look like. They aren't exactly what I was going for. I wanted the black to be a little thinner. I showed the nail lady a picture that I saw on Instagram that I liked, and this was her interpretation of it. So yeah, those are my nails. So now that I'm done at the nail shop, I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to my lunch date. It's kind of a dreary day today, which actually I'm liking. I feel like it's slower today. There's not much, you know, movement around. It's pretty quiet, calm. I don't think there's going to be a bunch of people out and about, and this will just be really relaxing. This is what, you know, this day is giving me. Just as long as it doesn't rain. I don't want it to rain. I don't want to be out looking like I do in the rain. I don't want that. But if it stays like this, I will be a happy camper, because it's just giving me like a cozy feeling. Just checked in.
books. I found a couple local magazines, but unfortunately, like they're a couple years old or so. So
Okay.
sorry about that.
Oh no, it's fine. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm so full. I am absolutely stuffed. I had a really nice time, and I will definitely be doing this some more. I was definitely right about this weather. There's hardly anybody out. I know if it was a bright sunny day, the streets would be hustling and bustling, but right now it's pretty scarce. When I got to the restaurant, everybody was super nice. The service was amazing. It's not a vegan restaurant. They had like one vegan entree, and then my waiter, he just went above and beyond. And when I told him that I was vegan, he was like, okay, well, we can make this, and this vegan. And he was just giving me so many suggestions. So I got it was like a falafel on the menu as they had it. It wasn't vegan, it was just vegetarian, but they modified it for me so that it would be vegan. But when I got it, it wasn't exactly what I was expecting. It was a lot fancier, and it just didn't look like what I thought it would look like. So I was a little apprehensive, but after I tasted it, it was actually very flavorful and it was really good. Then I had this cauliflower curry, which was outstanding. It came with rice, it came with naan. The naan bread wasn't the best, but the curry and the rice were like, mwah, so good. I finished the whole thing. I literally feel like I have to undo my buttons because I am feeling like a Thanksgiving turkey right now. But yeah, I was just taking everything in. Nice ambiance. And the people that were there, I could tell that they were business people. They were having business lunches and meetings and stuff like that. And I was the only young lady by myself. There was this other guy who was dining alone too. But yeah, they took extremely good care of me. And I think it was also because of the fact that I'm a young woman by myself. I had like 3 different people come up and just check on me, make sure I was good. The waiter actually came up and was like, would you like a magazine or a newspaper or something? And I was like, okay, I'll take a magazine, sure. Because I was really trying to just sit there, not be on my phone, not be texting and doing stuff like that. I wanted to just take it in. But maybe that looked like I was bored to him or something and he wanted to help me out. So he brought some magazines, which I flipped through for like a second. Yeah, I was just taking it in, having a really good, calm lunch, and it was very nice. So I definitely recommend try this out if you haven't dined alone before. Go to like an upscale place, treat yourself, just get whatever you want, try some new stuff, and just make a little time of it. Initially, I was going to see if I could find like an ice cream shop to go to after this, but I am so full. I literally can't eat another bite of anything else. But my waiter did come by with a dessert menu. I was like, oh, I can't have any desserts. But when he mentioned the fact that they have a vegan strawberry shortcake and he was like, it's so delicious, I had to give in. But I got it to go. I got it to go in here. I haven't seen it. Let me look. Let me peek in and see what it looks like. All right, so here it is. The strawberry shortcake. I got some fresh strawberries, and this looks like some nuts there. I'll eat that later. I'll have that as a little nightcap. It's starting to rain now. I'm so glad that it didn't rain on me while I was out, because the place that I went to, they only have valet, so I didn't want to valet my car. I don't like valet. I don't like people driving my car. So I parked in this garage, which was like a block away, you know, so I had to walk in the street and stuff. So I'm glad that it held off on the rain until I got in my car. This is like perfect weather for snuggling up, watching a movie, getting a really comfortable warm blanket, and just relaxing. So I think that's what I'm gonna do tonight. So yeah, I'm heading back home now. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. Almost forgot. I do want to stop at the grocery store and get some flowers because I have some flowers on my counter right now. They're starting to wilt, and I was like, I want to spruce those up, maybe take those old flowers out and put some new flowers in my vase. So I'm going to stop and get some flowers so I can make a little arrangement, and then I think I'm done. Leaving the grocery store, there are literally no flowers in here. So that was a bust. The grocery store had absolutely no flowers, which I've never seen before. But then I thought about it. It's probably because Valentine's Day was the other day. They ran out. I don't know, but I didn't feel like going to other stores to see if I could find some flowers. So I'm just going to stick with my bouquet that I have for now. It can last a couple more days and I'll find some more flowers then. This is what my current bouquet looks like right now. See, the flower petals are starting to droop and look kind of sad, but I think they can hold on for a little while longer. Also, and excuse the echo, I'm in the bathroom right now. I'm about to wash my face because I'm in for the day. I'm gonna wash my face, put some, you know, comfy clothes on. But I wanted to say thank you to those of you that had responded on my last vlog telling me about your experience with microblading, because I was telling y'all I was considering it. Well, I was kind of like looking into it because I wanted to cut out a few minutes of my get ready routine and not have to fill in my eyebrows all the time. You know, a lot of you had good results with it, but there were enough of you that had horror stories to the point where it's like, okay, thank you so much for letting me know, because I never even considered some of the things you guys were saying, like scarring, fading, the ink not looking natural, all that stuff. So I do believe for right now, I'm going to put the kibosh on the microblading idea. I will go ahead and just take those extra minutes and fill in my brows for now, because I just don't want to do something that I can't undo. I don't want to like mess up my face. But yeah, thank you to everyone that gave your input on that. It was very, very helpful. Also, if anybody is wondering about my hair, I did a video tutorial on these butterfly locks. For these, I used my most recent tutorial, the one where I only use one strand of the water wave hair. So they're a little thinner. They look to me more natural, and they are super, super, super lightweight. Like, I cannot feel these on my hair hardly. I just love them. I love how easy they are to just wake up and go. All I have to do is brush my edges and I'm done. So if you haven't seen that tutorial, I will link that below. But yeah, like I said, I'm about to wash this face off, get comfortable, chill out, relax, and that'll be that. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I will catch up with you on my next video. Bye.